Cloud mining apps promise crypto rewards without buying hardware. What can they deliver? Today, we're digging into CT Pool, its claims, user experience, red flags, and whether it's real or fake. So, CT Pool is a mobile app developed by crypto company OU, marketed as a way to mine major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and many more via your phone with a pool miner contract. No hardware required. It also allows users to activate miners, which supposedly operates in the cloud, and then withdraw earnings as crypto. Some positive feedback. On Google Play, the app shows over 1 million ratings, with a 4.7 ratings of around 72,000 reviews. Many users say the interface is simple and they've achieved small withdrawals. Trustpilot reviews mentioned several users successfully withdraw small amounts. However, many users report that mining stops unless they manually reactivate their miner every day. Withdrawal problems. Some say they've paid for miners or contracts but struggle to recoup or withdraw funds. The support is described as slow or unhelpful, and the business model raises questions. There are several major red flags to watch out for. Guarantees of high returns from a mobile app mining major crypto. Mining typically requires hardware or large infrastructure. Cloud mining contracts can work, but often with low transparency, withdrawal and reactivation issues. Users say the miner stops working unless the app is manually engaged regularly, which undermines passive mining claims. Paid contracts and lack of clarity. Some users say they had to purchase miners or contracts, which can resemble investment or buy-in models that bear risk. Similarity to known cloud mining scam patterns. According to security firms, many fake mining pools use promises of easy profits to lure users. Pros and cons. Its pros include being easy to download and has a beginner-friendly interface. Its multi-coin support appears attractive, and some users show genuine small withdrawals, suggesting some functionality. However, the mining speed and earnings are very low unless you upgrade. The need to manually reactivate your miner undermines the set and forget promise. Large number of complaints about withdrawal delays or inability to withdraw, and high risk of missing fine print and effectively buying a contract rather than truly mining. So is CT Pool real or fake? In short, it's not necessarily a total scam, but it's extremely high risk and not what many marketing claims suggest. Some users have withdrawn funds, but many more report issues, and the model resembles cloud mining and contract earnings rather than traditional mining. If you treat it as a low risk experiment with money you can't afford to lose, it might be okay. But if you expect passive hardware free mining with significant returns or guarantee of payout, this app likely will disappoint or expose you to risk. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.